I'm the president of the European Council, but I'm also an overseas Indian citizen. I'm very proud of my roots in Goa, where my father's family came from. And the connection between Europe and India is something personal to me. Today is a historic moment. We are opening a new chapter in our relations on trade, on security, on people-to-people ties. At a time when the global order is being fundamentally reshaped, the European Union and India stand together as a strategic and reliable partners. Today, we are taking our partnership to the next level. As the two largest democracies in the world, we are working hand in hand to deliver concrete benefits for our citizens and to shape a resilient global order that underpins peace and stability, economic growth, and sustainable development. Dear Prime Minister, that we can count on you to help creating conditions for peace through dialogue and diplomacy.